Alonzo Wurtzbach Johnson, formerly known professionally as Pia Romero, is a Filipino model, actress, and beauty pageant title holder who won Miss Universe 2015. Wurtzbach won Binibining Pilipinas in 2015 on her third attempt. Wurtzbach is the third Filipina Miss Universe title holder, following Gloria Diaz in 1969, Margie Moran in 1973, and was succeeded by Catriona Gray 3 years later. In addition, she is also the first biracial Filipina to win the Miss Universe title. Pia Alonzo Wurtzbach was born in Stuttgart, Germany, to a German father and a Filipina mother, and has a sister. The family later moved to northern Mindanao region in the Philippines, first in Elegance City, then settled at Cagayan de Oro City, where she attended kindergarten at Kong HUA School and primary school at Corpus Christi School. Her parents separated when she was 11 years old, and she became the family's main source of income by modeling and acting. After being raised in the Philippines, she spent several years in England. She finished her secondary education at ABS-CBN Distance Learning Center in Quezon City, Metro Manila, and studied culinary arts at the Center for Asian Culinary Studies in San Juan, Metro Manila. Wurtzbach speaks fluent Cebuano, English, and Tagalog. She also speaks basic German, which she described as enough to get me a bratwurst. Wurtzbach is a professional model, actress, host, and TV personality. She began acting at age 4 under the stage name Pia Romero. Managed by ABS-CBN Corporation's talent agency, Star Magic, she was included on the Star Circle Batch 11. Among her TV credits are the teen-oriented series K2BU, the concert variety program ASAP, the romance anthology Your Song, the sitcom show Bura, and the drama series Essay Piling Mo. She appeared in films such as Kung Ako na Lang Sana, All My Life, and All About Love. She went on to become a stylist, makeup artist, and beauty writer for Philippine Daily Inquirer's Taboo section. When you're the most beautiful woman in the universe, you will be no stranger to romance rumors, grand gestures of affection, and in the case of our beloved Miss Universe 2015 Pia Wurtzbach, even heartache. Here are the men real and imagined who have been linked to Queen P. Rumors of Pia being linked to then-President Noynoy Aquino spread after she was crowned BP Pilipinas Universe in March 2015. Before Pia flew off to Las Vegas to compete in the 2015 Miss Universe competition in December of last year, she disclosed that she did have a special someone she was dating at that time. Pia and hunky journalist Adam Araulo never got past getting flirty with each other on cam. Pia and Dr. Mike Warshawski, aka the hottest doctor alive, were said to have first met in a charity event in New York. In September 2016, Pia shocked the world when she posted a couple pic with race car hottie Marlon stalking her. On May 5, 2023, the Miss Universe 2015 posted videos of her wedding with Jeremy, the CEO and founder of Beautiful Destinations creative agency. The post indicated their wedding was held on March 24, 2023 in Seychelles. Mr. and Mrs. Johnson, the 24th of March 2023, wrote on her caption suggesting their wedding was held in North Island, Seychelles, an exclusive private island. In her Instagram video, Pia and Jeremy are seen exchanging vows and putting on their wedding rings before Jeremy carries his bride and feasting on their wedding cake. Pia wore a body-hugging, sheer corset wedding dress with a thigh split and floral embroidery. Her long wavy hair was loose. Jeremy wore a white polo shirt with a traditional kilt, paying homage to his Scottish roots. Inside Pia Wurtzbach's New York City apartment. Pia's apartment is one of the 242 units found in a post-war high-rise building in Manhattan. The lobby of the building exudes elegance with its classy decor pieces, sophisticated furniture, and the overall grandiose feel. A simple and elegant foyer welcomes guests into the home. The walls are in white while the console holds a lovely flower and minimal decor. Since Pia often welcomes guests in the apartment, a divan serves as seating for those waiting to be received. The double swinging French doors open up to the spacious living area. The huge glass window bathes the living area in natural light, keeping the place bright and airy even if most of the pieces are in earthy tones. Aside from the sectional sofa, this cozy part of the home also features a pair of high backwing chairs set against the window. The two chairs are paired with an ottoman used as a table, an area rug, and a sleek floor lamp. These elements complete a cozy reading nook or extra spot for entertaining guests. Pia admits that she seldom watches TV when in the apartment. Nevertheless, this corner is kept organized with a low console cabinet that has compartments for remote controls, CDs, and even decor. We especially love this corner in the living area. It's perfect for relaxing with a good book or catching up with fellow beauty queens. The view of the busy streets of Manhattan is also irreplaceable. In one of her early interviews after winning the crown, Pia shared that she loves to cook. Did you know that she took up culinary arts at the Center for Asian Culinary Studies in San Juan? Given her busy schedule, though, she admits that she seldom finds time to whip up her favorite Filipino dishes. The compact kitchen features granite countertops, basic appliances, and wooden cabinets that would remind you of a country home. Imagine dining with a view of Manhattan, New York. Seems exciting, right? The quaint dining area features a small round table and a pair of wooden chairs with upholstered seats. A dazzling chandelier hangs from the ceiling and gives the area an elegant appeal. For someone who is juggling numerous commitments in a day, it's essential to have a cozy and relaxing space meant for rest and quiet time. Pia's bedroom is bright and airy, with the upholstered seat and patterned rug adding pops of color. While the rest of the room looks modern and streamlined, her side table adds a vintage meets rustic charm to the space with its distressed finish. Given her clothes and pairs of shoes, it's important to have an organized closet to store all of these. Pia's clothes are neatly kept using a rack, while wall-mounted organizers keep other essentials in place. Meanwhile, her pairs of shoes are lined up on the floor. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Always take care.